I'm Eric Matteson. I'm the president of the Rheumatology Research Foundation, and I'm delighted to be here in Washington, D.C. at the annual meeting of the American College of Rheumatology. The Research Foundation is actually the biggest supporter of research and education in rheumatology in the United States, and we can see the effect of that support at this meeting. This last year, the foundation put in over $10 million for research and training, and that research and training money is supporting our medical students to come here to learn about rheumatology, medical residents to get enthused about rheumatology, and fellows who are doing research in rheumatology and learning clinical rheumatology to provide care to our patients in the future. We're also supporting investigators at every level, including clinical researchers, including translational researchers, including basic science researchers, and we have programs for all of these research entities here at this meeting. And the meeting, a huge success, over 15,000 people are in attendance, and it's the foundation's role to introduce people interested in doing research and taking care of patients who have rheumatic diseases to the wonderful work that our investigators are doing. One of the education scholar programs that we have in the foundation is the Clinician Scholar Educator Award. One of the awardees is Bernadette Sutton, and what Dr. Sutton is doing at the University of Maryland is developing a web-based rheumatology training curriculum for internal medicine residents. We know it's very difficult to provide all of the content that we must provide to our learners to learn all there is about rheumatology just in the classroom. We also know that there's new ways of learning, that web-based learning is something that is very popular, and especially among younger people, something that is very desired. So this program, which was supported by the Rheumatology Research Foundation, enabled Dr. Sutton to develop this web-based program so that learners, in this case internal medicine residents at the University of Maryland, but this is a program that can be expanded almost infinitely, would have a resource to go to learn rheumatology content. So it's an example of real innovation in education scholarship. Awards for more senior investigators include the Innovation Research Awards. One of the sessions at this year's meeting features innovative research. And one of the presenters, supported by the Research Foundation, is Dr. Peter Nigovich. He's at Harvard University, and he's seeking to understand the pathogenesis of juvenile inflammatory arthritis. How does juvenile inflammatory arthritis come about? Why do people get that? And he's studying specifically the role of immunoglobulin glycans in the pathogenesis of this disease as an example of the translational research that the foundation supports to gain better understanding of these diseases, their biology, and to provide the treatment points, the intervention points that will be able to be addressed to treat these patients in novel ways to cure these diseases.